Hi guys, I'm back to show you how strategyconverter.com works. This time I want to demonstrate with a Pine script and convert it and show you what it looks like in the MetaTrader. Okay, normally you click your convert code. Okay, here Pine script to MQL4 MQL5 is going to be an indicator. We choose MQL5. Then I have these code. I have these Pine scripts. This Pine script is actually talks about support and resistance levels and demand and supply. It's a good kind of indicator on TradingView. Okay, so I paste the script here. Then well, I won't put any notes, but it's if you want, you might add notes. Okay, if you want specific requirements and so on and so forth, okay, you add notes, but I'll just convert. I'll wait for it to convert. Let's see what happens. I want to show you what it looks like in MetaTrader. I have my MetaTrader opened already. So you can see conversion completed. So let's look for our code. So for MQL5, so that's it. So I'll just download. You can either copy or download, but I will download so that I can compile directly. Okay, so downloading. So I just downloaded here. Okay, so that's what you have here, converted indicator here. I'm going to click open. Okay, so let me compile perfectly, no error. Okay, all right, let me see if I can rename these. Okay, it's okay. I'll just leave it like that. So we have converted indicator 2. Okay, so let me check this in my MetaTrader to see if I have it there. Okay, so here it is, converted indicator 2. All right, so I have it on the chart. All right, you see I have the supply and demand indicator there. Okay, and there should be some arrows. Okay, I have my arrow there. That's perfect conversion. Okay, you see my arrows there. Okay, so that is the conversion from Pine script to, you see the arrow here. Okay, that's conversion from Pine script to MQL5 to MetaTrader 5. Okay. Okay, so I think by the time you do your settings, you go to your settings, and you tinker with this settings. With these settings, you have the perfect indicator. Okay, you see this converted from Pine script. You have the perfect indicator for your MetaTrader 5. So if you understand this indicator, you can just perfectly set it. But from what I'm seeing, I think all looks good. Okay, my arrows are here. Okay, then my supply and demand zone there. So just get your perfect settings. I think you'll be good to go. Thank you.